Hello everyone, welcome back to WS Spoken. This is Sumit speaking. So how are you guys? I hope you'll be doing great. So guys, आज हम लोग बात करने वाले हैं बेसिक वर्ड्स की. बहुत सारे ऐसे लर्नर हैं जो मतलब हमेशा मतलब बेसिक वर्ड्स यूज़ करते हैं. सो मैं आज आपके साथ ऐसे 15 एडवांस वर्ड शेयर करूंगा जो आपके इंग्लिश में और आपकी फ्लुएंसी को बिल्ड कर देंगे. ठीक है, और अगर आप उसको यूज़ करेंगे सो डेफिनेटली यू विल गोना साउंड मोर स्मार्ट एंड नेचुरल, राइट. सो वीडियो को बिना देर के स्टार्ट करते हैं, लेकिन स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है सो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करिए, क्योंकि मैं ऐसे ही डेली रोज़ वीडियोस लाता रहता हूं जो आपके लिए हेल्पफुल साबित होता है. ठीक है, और अगर आपके पास कोई क्वारी है तो आप मुझे कमेंट बॉक्स में ज़रूर बताएं. ठीक है, और आपके पास कोई टॉपिक है तो आप वो भी बता सकते हैं जिस पे मैं ज़रूर वीडियो बनाऊंगा. ठीक है, सो नाउ लेट्स गो.
Let's upgrade your vocabulary. I'll say the basic word, then the advanced word, and give you an example sentence you can repeat after me to practice. Ready? First, very tired. You can say exhausted. Example, I'm very tired after work. No, you can say I'm exhausted after work. Repeat after me. Okay, guys? Second, very hungry. You can say starving. Example, I'm very hungry. No, I'm starving. Let's eat. Third, very happy. You can say delighted. Example, I'm very happy to meet you. No, you can say I'm delighted to meet you. Fourth, very beautiful. You can say stunning or you can say gorgeous. Example, she is very beautiful. No, you can say she is stunning in that dress or you can say the view from here is gorgeous. Fifth, very angry. You can say furious. Example, he was very angry. No, you can say he was furious after hearing the news. Sixth, very bad. You can say awful or you can say terrible. For example, the weather is very bad. No, you can say the weather is awful today. Seventh, very good. You can say excellent or amazing. Example, that's very good work. No, you can say that's exactly work or you can say you did an amazing job. 8. Very small. You can say tiny. Example, my phone is very small. No, the right sentence is my phone is tiny and fits in my pocket. 9th, very big. You can say huge or massive. Example, that building is very big. No, the right sentence is that building is huge or you can say it's a massive project. 10th, very scared. You can say terrified. Example, I was very scared. No, you can say I was terrified during the storm. 11th, very clean. You can say spotless. Example, your room is spotless. Great job. 12th, very funny. You can say hilarious. Example, that movie was hilarious. I loved so much. 13, very smart. You can say brilliant. Example, she is a brilliant student. 14, very cold. You can say freezing. Example, it's freezing outside. Wear a jacket. 15, very dirty. You can say filthy. Example, your hands are filthy. Wash them before dinner.
सो फाइनली गाइस, आज हम लोगों ने सीख लिया ऐसे 15 एडवांस वर्ड जो हमारी इंग्लिश को और भी नेक्स्ट लेवल पे लेके जाएगा. सो आज आप इसको मतलब जब भी आप कॉन्वर्सेशन करने जाइएगा सो इसको कॉन्वर्सेशन में आपको ज़रूर यूज़ करना है. ठीक है, और ये नहीं कि एक ही बार सभी को याद कर लेना, नहीं. जस्ट take only 2 per day and start using in your conversation, okay, and it will sound more natural and confident. So I will meet you in my next video. Until then you can practice and I will see you in my next video. For the time being, bye.